Alright, excuse the background noise, but I'm doing something quite cool. So if you can see over there, there's a bilge pump, and it's floating around in the seawater, and it's sucking water into my boat through the gap over there. And it goes over there, and it goes into that pipe down there. From there it goes into the first filter and the second filter. Out of those filters, into the card shaft, out of the card shaft, into the pressure vessel. And the pressure vessel then goes to a high pressure system, and it's pushing water out that green hose into my water tank, and the quality of the water at the moment is and that's it, we're making water. And I'm doing it using my battery system. But earlier today, when the sun was out, I was making water and charging the batteries at the same time. So to get an accurate count of how fast the water is being made, I'm busy filling up a 7-litre bottle here. And it looks like it's going at about 1 litre a minute, but we'll see when we get to the end. And there we go. So it took basically exactly 6 minutes to fill up the 7-litre bottle, and that means that it's making water at exactly 70 litres an hour, which I think is pretty good. I'm happy with that. And one of the great things about having all of the solar means that I can make water while still charging my batteries.